Welcome to Solution Point. In this video, we will discuss how to solve quadratic equation with shortcut. Here I have written four types of general quadratic equation which we usually have with some of the examples. Let's solve these examples and then we can generalize for the general equations. Let's start with this. In this particular case, we have x square plus 5x plus 6. We have positive sign with the constant term. Remember, if we have positive sign with the constant term, then definitely both the values of x will be of same sign. Similarly, in this particular case, since we have positive sign with the constant term, then both the values of x will be of same sign. It could be either positive or negative. How we can judge that? In this particular case, we have positive sign with the coefficient of x. So both the values of x should be negative. In this particular case, we have negative sign with the coefficient of x. Then definitely both the values should be positive. And it is true for every equation which is of these type. Now, in this particular case, we need to judge two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 5. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer should be minus 3 and minus 2 in this case. In this particular case, we need to find two numbers whose product is 64 and sum is 16. So 8 times 8 is 64 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So definitely the values should be plus 8 and plus 8. Let's generalize these two equations first. If we have positive sign with the constant term, then both the values of x should be of same sign. And if we have positive sign with the coefficient of x, then both the values should be negative. In this particular case, we have positive sign with the constant term. So both the values of x should be of same sign. If we have negative sign with the coefficient of x, then both the values should be positive. Now let's discuss these two equations. Here we have negative sign with the coefficient of with the constant term. So one of the term would be positive and another term will be negative. Here again we have negative sign with the constant term. So one of the value will be positive and another value will be positive and negative. Now we need to judge two numbers whose product is 8 and sum is 2. So definitely 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we need to judge either I would write 4 plus 4 or minus 2 or minus 4 or plus 2. See, we have negative sign with the coefficient of x. If we have negative sign with the coefficient of x, then greater number will go with positive sign. Out of 4 and 2, the greater number will be 4. So its answer should be plus 4 and minus 2. In this particular case, we need to find two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is 4. So 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now again we need to judge, it could be either plus 6 or minus 2 or minus 6 or plus 2. Now we have positive sign with the coefficient of x. Now if we have positive sign with the coefficient of x, then definitely greater number will go with negative sign. So its answer should be minus 6 and plus 2. I tried to generalize these concepts for you. Keep watching.